Okay, here we have a swarm of bees. They came up from by my house, which is up there, and they flew over here and decided to land on the top of this tree about 75 feet up. The great thing is I'm on a deck right here on my neighbor's deck, and I pruned away some of those branches there so I can get easy access. I'm going to hook this limb which they're hanging on and pull it towards me, and then I'm going to drop them in this box. And then seal them up with some tape and bring them home and put them in with my hive. So let me see if I can get this thing set up to kind of watch what's going on here. I guess that's about as good as I'm going to get it. So we will see. Putting on the gloves. I really don't think I'm going to need a suit today because it's pretty much an easy capture, but just as a precaution I'm wearing one anyway. So yeah, alright, so there's me, the beekeeper. Oh look, a little bee's landing on the phone. Okay. So I'm going to bring that over. I'm going to snip that branch right into the box, and that should be it. Might be a little tricky actually. How am I going to pull it and snip it at the same time? All right, I'm going to trim that end off a little bit more. I don't want that getting in the way of falling in the box. Got these handy little trimmers here. One more hand. Involved maybe. As soon as I cut them, then just let it go and go inside the house. Oh, because they're going to start moving? Yeah. Because I can't pull the stick and cut the limb and hold the box at the same time. Okay. So, where do you want me to be? Over here. On your left? Yep. Okay, just hold that for a second and let me get my stuff. And like I said, once I cut them, then just go back in the house. Okay, pull a little more. That's it. That's okay. I got it. Okay. That's nothing. Are you good? Anyway.
Okay. Well, they're fine. Oh, they're not going anywhere. Now, what's going to happen with these guys?
I'm gonna go check my hive and see if I think they came from my hive.
And then they'll come back to your hive.
No, then I will put them in with the
Oh
hive.
no, I mean these guys over here. What's going to happen with them?
They're probably gonna clump back up, and I was gonna suggest to you, if they do clump back, if you see them clump back up, you can call me, and then I can
Okay.
come capture that last little clump too.
Okay. And if not, will they die off without the hive? Are they like ants without their group, or will they adapt to maybe the one down below?
You know what? To be honest with
You
you, I
don't
don't know the answer to that. I mean, I think they might find their way back to these guys since it's so close.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause they go. They have radar, so they'll know where they are. All right. Well, let's hope they're
Especially
okay.
if they came from my house, then they're familiar with that area.
Yeah. Gosh, I hope so.
All right. That was pretty uneventful. You're a beekeeper now. I'm gonna get you a little card.
But I'm worried about these guys, these stranded ones.
Well, let me know if they ball up. I'll come and get them. I'm gonna be back home around 4:30, and that's when I'm gonna go and work the other hive and put these ones in or put them in a new box.
Oh, okay.
And if these guys are clumped back up, then because yeah, what happened last year is these guys came and landed on a bush near my house. I mean, right next to the hive actually, and it was in like one of those banana tree types, so it was really hard to get them because they were like in the
deep
the
in.
crack, and I had to cut that thing all apart, and so I had to capture them 2-3 times to get all. I kept going back because they kept making a
And
new
they
little
would take
ball,
them, they would make, okay.
and then I kept catching them. So I think these guys are going to probably try to reform, and when they do, I can come back and get them.
They don't look happy. They look lost. And so they zoom in on the queen, and that's how they find their way
The
to the
scent.
hive? The scent
It's
from
all
the queen,
scent.
or is it just the scent from the hive?
Scent of the queen.
Scent of the queen. So they're looking, wherever the queen is not here. Where is she? That's why they're there.
That's why
Okay.
they're all clumped around her.
Okay, so
she's in-
hopefully if you're close by, they'll still
Smell it.
smell her and go for it.
And like I said, if they do ball up, I can come get them.
Okay. I'll call you and let you know if they do. If not, maybe they'll just follow me. Hey, sweetie.